In this video, I'll be showing you how to use close friends feature on Instagram. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you're posting something or you're posting a story and you only want certain people to use it. That's where the close friends feature comes in. So to set it up, what you want to do is go ahead and open up Instagram, then go to the bottom right where it has your profile picture. Then on the top right, press those three lines. Once you're here, what you want to go ahead and do is scroll through the settings until you find close friends, which is going to be under who can see your content. Now, once you go ahead and click on it, all you want to do is select the users that you want in your close friends section. So let's just say I, wanted a few people in my close friends. What I'm going to do is select it and then I'm going to press done. And those people are then going to be my close friends. Then let's say whenever I go ahead and try and post on Instagram, let's say I want to go ahead and post a story. What I'm going to do is select story, take a random image, and on the bottom right, I'm going to see I can post only to my close friends, so only they can see the story. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.